ಫೋರ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ ಡಿಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಆರಂಭ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಬೆನ್ನುಮೂಳೆಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಸೇವೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ, ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ ಡಿಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಡಾ. ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ವಯಸ್ಕರ ಜನ್ಮಜಾತ, ರಚನಾತ್ಮಕ ಹಾಗೂ ವಯೋಸಹಜ ಬೆನ್ನುಮೂಳೆ ವಿರೂಪತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುಶಿಸ್ತೀಯ ತಜ್ಞರ ತಂಡದಿಂದ ತಪಾಸಣೆ, ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಯೋಜನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಲಿ ಇನ್ವೇಸಿವ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲದ ಬೆನ್ನುನೋವಿನ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 3D ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿರಂತರ ನರಮಂಡಲ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಣಾ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಳಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗೆ ಒಳಗಾದ 2 ಬಾಲರೋಗಿಗಳು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದರು. ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೌತಮ್ ಸಿಬಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ತಪಾಸಣೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಮತ್ತು ಚೇತರಿಕೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣ ಸ್ಪೈನ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಆರೈಕೆ ನೀಡುವುದು ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಉದ್ದೇಶವೆಂದರು.
Namaskara. So it gives me immense pleasure to say that a long-awaited plan to launch this deformity clinic has taken shape today at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road. And deformity, as we know, affects all the age groups, like younger as well as the older age group. And the concerns for treatment in each of these age groups are different. And we need a very structured pathway, right from an early diagnosis, routine monitoring, routine follow-up, a standardized non-operative care, frequent follow-ups, as well as correct and timely intervention with appropriate and correct execution of the surgical plan using high-end equipment as well as infrastructure. And that is something that we aim to achieve and be a boon for all these deformity cases, where an early diagnosis, a good care, as well as a better outcome can be given to this particular group of patients. Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road will now start this dedicated deformity clinic, which is going to be there on all days, and that is something that we have to propagate and tell so that we can make this condition more aware to the patients and they can utilize the facilities that are available here. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Kiran from grade 9th. In Fortis it was very good experience and they treated very well. Infrastructure was very admirable. It was a great experience. So they treated me very well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Her name is Ramya, 12 years old, and she undergone surgery in last May 23rd. After surgery, 2 months of rest was there, and later she started going to school as usual. And now she can do her works, everything, activities independently, and plus mild exercises keep on doing.
After surgery, how is your experience?
Very good. They have taken care nicely.
We have consulted many other hospitals before, and finally we understood that Fortis is the right choice. And after surgery also, doctors, everyone has taken care very well. And right now she, as usual, a normal child, she is doing all her activities well.